Okay, so we're in our particle simulation, and we're going to delete just a few of the default objects that are placed in there automatically that we don't need. I'm going to get rid of the two merges. I'm going to get rid of the gravity too, because we're not going to be needing that for this sim. I'm going to bring our objects around like this. Close up my viewports. We have a little bit more room here to see our actual nodes. First off, let's look at our pop source node. We've changed the emission type to all points so we actually get out what we want. And now what we want to do is we want to go over to the birth tab. We want to change the life expectancy. This time we're going to change this to 4. And we're not going to add any variance because we want the life expectancy to be same on all the particles for this. Now we'll go over to the attributes to the add inherited velocity section. And we're just going to scale this down to 0.5. So we're just going to have the intensity of the incoming velocity. And now we're going to change the variance to 0, 0, 0. Okay, and so now we've gotten rid of the gravity and we've gotten rid of the random variance. And now we should see a very different result from our particle system. Close that. So now you can see we're getting these particle streams that are coming out from the direction of our movement. And there's a bit of work to do now to actually get these to form the kind of trails that we want, but at least we're starting to rein in that motion and have it do something near to what we want. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create some noise to drive these particles. But unlike just the pop wind node that we used before, I'm going to show you how we can create a custom volume noise gradient and then bring that into our particle system to also be able to allow to visualize the kind of noise we want to modulate our particles with really effectively.